Hello, everyone. Are you ready? Let's see. Rank Master, la la la, run ranking. Rank Master, la la la, run ranking. Ranking is fun. Oh, what a surprise! Fun. Hearts jumping, eyes shining. Open your eyes. So many things to see. So many things to know. Compare them together and watch how we grow. Number one is special. It's true, it's clear. But it only happens because everyone is here. Thank you, friends, for being so bright. Together we shine like a soft little light. La la la, ran ranking. We want to know which one, what one. Let's go, let's go. Hand in hand, let's all take a stand. Everyone is number one in Happy Land. The very last one is a secret key, unlocking the door to a big mystery. It's a treasure, it's a start, it's a brand new day. The bottom is the line where we start to play. 1, 2, 3, step by step, climb the stairs with a hop and a pep. We all can be number one, it's true. Ranking is a treasure map for me and you. Now, what is the ranking today? Are you ready? Ready? Go! Rank Master, la 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 la, run ranking. Rank Master, la la la, run ranking. Yeah! Check it out.